Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we are going to crush some stuff with hydraulic press. So back to basics. I think we need like good old hydraulic press channel fun with all the fear of death and technical stuff. So let's crush first easy item, Anvil. Okay, there is the Anvil. I think it's slightly bigger than that we did with the old press. And with the old press we couldn't crush it like this. So I'm going to assume that this is super strong. But let's see what it likes. And this video is sponsored by NordVPN. With my link you are going to get huge discount on 2-year plan and 4 extra months for free. But more about that later. Okay, I don't like this. But here we go. I think it's ready.
It's ready. Okay, it made a cake.
Turns out that our small anvil was made out of Chinesium. But we have a lot of good stuff also. Should we do the motorcycle helmet next?
Yeah.
Hey, I think people want to see like stupid stuff. Let's throw in the giant piston. Okay, check out this. Bam! That's a big ass piston. What do you think? Is it going to crush?
No. Or is it? I don't know.
I say that it's quite easy.
Okay. It's almost as big as our piston.
Yeah, but it's hollow and made out of aluminium, so it's a big ass piston.
Big ass piston.
Here we go. I think this is the toughest aluminium item that we have ever crushed, so really interesting to see how it goes. I take it more like... Oh, it's on slow. I think it's good to be slow. Okay, here it goes. Holy shit.
Oh! Let's see.
Oh, now it's uneven. Let's not crush more. Yeah, the press frames are not very sturdy on back and forward direction. So if you have uneven load like this, they always tend to flex. But that's probably good because it's better to have flex on the press frame than to bend the piston. So let's go have a look what we made. Okay, but what's the problem here? Yeah, it wasn't explode the aluminium at all. These are nice, quite like nice looking pieces.
Oh, they're quite sharp.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it looks like...
Very uniform and like nicely cracked. And hard to say, you can probably see on the replay better. Did it deform much before it started to break? Something flew here, it's that. It wasn't,
and there was something.
yeah, like small stuff, but it wasn't fast.
And there's nothing on Bob.
Yeah, Bob keeps eyes on the camera at all times. He's not confused by small stuff like that.
Doesn't need to squint at all.
Yeah, yeah. And check out this. We have also nice camera app, so we can control all the functions of the camera and put it record with the mobile app. And then adjust the camera angles with this, and of course make some programs when we get everything working. And then crush with the pedals. So we can digitally be there where the danger is and actually be somewhere totally else. And if you want to be somewhere totally else where the danger is on the internet, then you are probably interested in today's sponsor, NordVPN. So with NordVPN you can do basically same stuff for your internet that we have done for our hydraulic press. You can get yourself and your IP address out from the websites and services that you are doing. Turn on the encryption so nobody can see what you are doing. And now all data goes through NordVPN servers and it just appears for the service that it comes from NordVPN, but they don't know that it's you that is actually using the NordVPN. can be anybody else. And this, or actually everything, is better on NordVPN than on my system. But you don't have to do all this hassle. You just install the app on mobile phone or computer. You can get many devices on one contract. And then everything just works. No like complicated stuff like this. It's just like before NordVPN. Now you have just better anonymity and protection against multiple threats on the internet. And there is also other benefits. You can go around geo-blocking or look cheaper prices, for example on flights and car rentals, by choosing a cheaper country for your IP address. And right now you can get huge discount on 2-year plan and 4 extra months for free when you go to nordvpn.com/hydraulicpress. There is a link down in description for that. And it's risk-free to try out because there is 30-day money-back guarantee. That's nordvpn.com/hydraulicpress. I really like this. It's like giant Pip-Boy from Fallout. And yeah, I think the melon looks great. Let's zoom in on the eyes, like this. Okay, here we go.
Melon Mac Melon.
So Melon Mac Melon face.
Oh, melon.
That's its
face,
full name.
Okay. Sounds.
Something flew to my window.
Oh.
But it wasn't so eventful than the first helmet that we ever crushed with the watermelon.
Ah.
That was so funny. I put it here if
Yeah.
you have missed that. It's super funny. Yeah, I would say that it's a bad day, but it didn't like do anything like super dramatic. It didn't squirt the melon.
It has bad hair day.
Yeah, bad hair day. And then we have unicorn. Close the door and here we go.
It's very, very dangerous.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Let's see what happened to it.
Okay, then we have Hanna's choice.
Yeah, these fancy looking napkins, and we are making a napkin pancake.
Yeah, let's see, does it turn hard as a rock like shit paper? Or does it turn into explosion like every other paper?
Yeah, those are wrong-sided there. No, it doesn't matter.
I think it's going to turn into rock.
Yeah, I hope it will. Or plywood, you know.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay,
ready.
it's ready.
Keep going.
Yeah? No.
You made a tent.
Yeah.
Kimpalmentavaa, I think it cooked. We are streaming at the same time. Hey, this is...
Is it hard? Sorry.
It's not as good as toilet paper. But check, you can still use these. But this is actually useful because you can still use them. Try to peel them.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
and
like...
it went just like a smaller place.
Yeah, so if you are like going for a picnic, you can pack your stuff with the bread.
Yeah, that's true. And this would be also look very nice tile somewhere.
Yeah,
if you
kitchen
are
tiles.
kitchen tiles, if you are new people, you can use just this.
And now it's just super fun to crush stuff with the big press finally. Everything starts to be now ready. Next week I'm going to just finish up the robot stuff. I have service guy from ABB come to visit us. He's going to set up the safety switch and change all the batteries that are too old on the robot. And then I'm going to put the ventilation in, and then it's everything completely done. I'm going to make a Beyond the Press video about the whole thing to show off it all of its features and nice things that we have now. And yeah, now we just crush, and I think we can pump up the video quality and better ideas. We have been super busy building all this, but now it starts to be over, and I think it was definitely worth it. What is Hanna's opinion? Was it worth it to build all this?
Yeah, I think it is. Now when it's all done almost, it feels very great.
But I think it was good timing. It's like better for Hanna to experience also the old setup, like pulling from the string and fearing behind the small blast shield.
Yeah, it's now much more easier to appreciate the safety what the new bunker creates.
Yeah, and it's also easier to clean when the shit doesn't fly all over the workshop and out of the windows.
Yeah, that's also true.
And we haven't even played with all the nice features with the new press. We have tried like the data locking and remote control stuff. But there is so much that we can do with the new features that we haven't realized yet. Yeah, but yeah, we keep the videos coming. Thanks for watching, and that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.